Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to remove Google account from Android phone. In case you want to remove your Google account from your Android phone for any reason, I'll show you the easiest way to do it. So first you have to simply open up your phone and then you have to go to the settings of your phone. Once you get into the settings, then you have to scroll down and search for the option for Google. You may find it the option for account as well. Once you find that option, click onto it. After clicking onto it, you will see that arrow on your account name. Simply click onto it. All of your accounts will appear. You have to click on manage account. And after that, select the account that you want to delete. Click onto it. And after that, you will see this option for a remove account. You have to simply click on this option. And after that, it will confirm. So for that, you have to click on remove account. And then your Google account will get removed from your Android phone. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.